Welcome. We are solving question from GATE 2016 Electronics branch. It was a 1 mark question. So this question is from the topic diode circuits. So we are given that the diode in the figure has V on equal to 0.7 volt, but it is ideal otherwise. So we have to find the magnitude of current I2. So suppose the I2 is the current through the 6 kilo ohm resistance. So let's suppose this current is I1. Suppose this current is I1. Okay, so now we will try to solve the question. So this diode, this is the P terminal of the diode, this is the N terminal of the diode. So first we will assume diode is on, the diode is on or forward bias, the diode is on or forward bias. So we are given that V on equal to 0.7 volt and we have assumed that the diode is forward bias. So we will replace this diode with its on voltage. So this was P terminal, so I am drawing the positive and negative of 0.7 volt in this way, because this was P and this was N. So this on diode is replaced by its on voltage. Now this 0.7 volt is the voltage source, so obviously it will be across this 2 kilo ohm resistance. So I1 equal to 0.7 upon 2k, because in parallel voltages are same. So now apply KVL in this loop, apply KVL in this loop. So this is 2 volt, this is 0.7 volt. So obviously this voltage should be 1.3 volt. This voltage will be 1.3 volt. So because if we apply KVL, then the total voltage should be equal to 0. So 2 volt, 0.7 volt and 1.3 volt. 2 volt is distributed 0.7 volt and 1.3 volt in this way across these resistances. So I2 will be equal to 1.3 volt divided by 6 kilo ohm resistance. Now let's suppose the current through the diode is ID. The current through the diode is ID. So if our assumption is true, we have assumed that the diode is on. If this assumption is true, then ID must be positive. The value of ID must be a positive, because in a forward bias diode the current flows from positive to negative. So if this is if this diode is really on, then this ID should be positive. If this ID comes to be negative, then it means that our assumption is on. So this is I1, this is ID. So I1, if we apply Kirchhoff current law at this node, then I1 plus ID should be equal to I2, or ID will be equal to I2 minus I1. ID will be equal to I2 minus I1. So I2 is 1.3 upon 6k and I1 is 0.7 upon 2k. So if you solve it, the value of ID comes to be negative. The value of ID comes to be negative. So our assumption that diode is on is proved wrong. Our assumption that diode is on is proved wrong, and diode is off or reverse bias. Diode is off or reverse bias. So now we will prove. So we will now take the second case. We will assume that the diode is off. What we will assume is that the diode is off. So let me redraw the circuit. The off diode is simply replaced by a open circuit. The off diode is simply replaced by a open circuit. So now we have this I2. So we can remove all this. We will find I2. I2 equal to 2 volt upon 8 kilo ohm. I2 equal to 2 volt upon 8 kilo ohm or 0.25 milliampere. Okay, so I2 equal to 0.25 milliampere. So you can find this is the I2. This is the value of the current I2, 0.25 milliampere. So if you want to find this voltage, then also you can find this will be equal to 0.5 volt and this will be equal to 1.5 volt. Okay, so this is 0.5 volt and in parallel voltages are same, so diode is off. So our assumption is true, the diode is really off. So thank you. We had to find the current of I2, so I2 equal to 0.25 milliampere. Thank you. Please like and share the video and subscribe the channel. And if you have any doubt or any comment, you can post your doubt or comment in the comment box.